welcome to the Friday Workshop, week 2. So this is a new series of every Friday. I'm going to do a little walk around the workshop and show you guys what's going on in my little baby 3-car space, 4-car space workshop. All right, so let's start off with Project Freebie. As you saw in the last couple of videos, I literally did the whole foundation on the car, changed all the brakes, bushes, uprated a lot of stuff, fitted coilovers on, fitted power steering, adjusted the idle. That you didn't see, but it was the carburetor on these cars are terrible, and there's lots of bits missing off this. It's got no cold start to speak of, because that whole bit is actually missing off the side of the carb. Will I replace it? Let me see. Maybe I might do a video on a how-to on the carburetor. So as you can see, the wheels are off it. So I'm going to drop those off to the tyre shop because they're on order. They didn't have the tyres I wanted in stock, which is the 185/60 14s Akumos for this. I mean, they're cheap and cheerful if there is such a thing for a tyre. There will be a little how-to in this video actually. I might as well show you guys the wipers because it is going to go for its inspection. So I need to change these wipers. As you can see, the kind of wipers are the wrong size for some reason. So these are really quite straightforward to change. But there is a danger actually of changing these with one hand, that the wiper flicks back and cracks the windscreen. So yeah, let's not do that. So I wasn't able to, I had to put the camera down unfortunately. I just didn't want to take the risk of breaking the windscreen live on camera. So that was close. I almost did break the windscreen there. So moving over now to the open air Project GTD, color concept, whatever you want to call it. The bonnet's open, the pump's here. I am actually going to start doing this. This is actually going to be the next job. By the time this video comes out, you probably have seen this video already. So, you know, let's see if it runs or not. I don't know yet. You would have found that out in the last video. So hopefully it does start. Future me, maybe I've got it working, it runs. Moving over to the back of the workshop where the ABF stuff is. It's still all here, all the ABF stuff. One thing that is missing though is the engine. And I've actually moved, or I got the engine on a little wheelie thing, the ABF engine. So what I'm going to do is going to put it over here by the bench and then actually put it on the engine crane so I can lift it up and put it actually on the stand, because I'm going to be doing a teardown video on this ABF to see how much of a bargain I've got or haven't got, as well as the head's still in the same place. I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be tearing this down and showing you guys what kind of condition it's in and what's involved in actually stripping an ABF engine down, same as the KR and the PL and the 9A. All right, so what else is there to mention in the workshop today? Well, that's about it really. So it's only a short, these videos are only short, kind of gives you a small little glimpse into what's happening. The pile of rubbish is still there. I have sold some bits actually. As you can see, that engine that was there before, which I need to clean the floor, is actually over here. I've sold the gearbox. It came and it picked that up, so that's actually gone. So the next thing to go is going to be the engine. There is somebody lined up for that with all the wiring loom and everything else and the ECU. It's a good engine. It came out the wagon. There's nothing wrong with it. The only thing that was wrong with it was the injectors. But it will come with a new set of injectors if somebody is interested in that. But I do think there is a few people interested in that. And what else can I say? So I'm going to be releasing these videos every Friday at 1 o'clock lunchtime. And the thumbnail is actually going to be the same thumbnail every week. But there's going to be slight changes in it. So I suppose you guys from the thumbnail can see what's moved in that picture. I'm going to take the same picture from the same angle. It's going to be a bit like that book for kids, Spot Wally. And you can spot and see what's actually changed and moved around in the workshop. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, ding-a-ling-a-ling, click on that notification bell and be safe.